To install the Viber app on your iPhone, simply go to the Apple App Store, then search for Viber. And this is a Viber application. So if you tap on it, you should find the button to get it. So tap on get it button, which is usually somewhere here. But since I had previously installed it, that's why you can see this cloud icon. But for the first time, it's going to show get it. So tap on that. And that should install the Viber application onto your iPhone. With the installation complete, you can now launch the Viber application from here. Of course, you'll need to give a few permissions as you set up Viber. And you can now go ahead and set up Viber with your phone number. And that's it. And that's basically how you can install Viber onto your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.